Hi, in this video we'll look at more than 10 title ideas to decorate any topic header, cover, etc. And to draw them, I use a simple black pen. As you can see, for the title examples I write short subject names, but the decoration can easily be adapted to long titles. Now I'll show you how the titles would look with color, so I'm going to color them with a combination of pink, blue, and yellow. Let me know in the comments if you prefer the basic titles or the ones with a bit of color. I think I prefer the colored version.